In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add gradient text in Webflow. To get started, open your Webflow project so you can work directly inside the designer. Once you are in, head over to the Add panel on the left side menu. This is where you will find all the basic elements you can place onto the canvas. From there, drag either a heading or a text block onto your page, depending on the kind of text you want to style. A heading usually works best if you want the gradient effect to stand out clearly. After placing the text element on the canvas, select it and give it a clear, descriptive class name in the selector field. This is a helpful habit because it keeps your styling organized, especially if you plan to reuse the effect elsewhere or make edits later. Next, move over to the Style panel on the right side of the screen. In the Typography section, choose the font you want to use. Then increase the text size and apply a heavier font weight, such as bold or black. This matters because gradient text tends to look much better when the letters are large and thick enough to show off the color transition. If the text is too small or too thin, the effect may not be very noticeable. Once your typography looks right, scroll down to the Background section in the Style panel. Click the plus icon next to Image and Gradient, then choose either Linear Gradient or Radial Gradient from the Type dropdown. Linear gradients are great for a smooth directional blend, while radial gradients create a more circular color spread. So choose the one that best fits the look you want. Now set your color stops. Enter your chosen hex color values, and adjust the direction angle to control how the gradient flows across the element. At this stage, it's completely normal if the gradient appears behind the entire text box rather than inside the letters. That's just how Webflow displays it before clipping is applied. To turn that background into actual gradient text, stay in the Background section and scroll slightly until you find the Clipping drop-down menu. Change the setting from None to Clip Background to Text. As soon as you do that, the background area disappears, and the gradient will show only inside the shape of the letters. That's the full process for creating gradient text in Webflow. Thanks for watching.